Hi guys! Today I'm going to be reviewing a classic game that was actually made in 1984 by Midway. It's called Root Beer Tapper. It has similar visual effects to games like Cake Mania and like modern games where you have to take care of customers and make sure they're happy. Then it also looks visually to me sort of like Mario. At least the main character kind of looks like Mario with the mustache and the red tones. It's a pretty basic game. You really just fill up root beer mugs and you throw it to the customers on the counter, making sure they never make it to the end. They also sometimes throw back empty mugs at you, so you make sure that they don't hit the end, otherwise you fail. It takes a little bit of getting used to. It's pretty simple controls. It's just arrows and click and control in order to fill up the root beer, but we'll see how it goes. Let's insert a coin. Alright, and one player. You can also play two player on this game. We're going to play one player, so it's just me today. The point system is pretty basic. The angrier the customer, the faster they move, the more points you get. Let's see. Oh, round one clear. Pretty basic. It looks like I also have 2 lives based on the 2 root beer mugs up by my point score. Oh, and then there's an empty mug. Make sure you catch those. There also seems to be a differing distance based on where the counters are, closer to the screen. See if customers move faster. Game noises are also very electronic. Oh, oh gosh. Oh no. There we go. I've never been very good at these kind of games. I have to make sure I'm keeping track of multiple things at once. I'm usually better at the puzzle games where I have to decipher what's going on. I can't keep track of 4 different counters at once. Oh gosh, there it goes. I don't know if I have another life or not. Oh, I do. I have 1 more. I must have 3 lives. Let's see if I can get past this level. See if anything changes. Oh no. Ah, shoot. I'm not good enough to get to the next level, apparently. I saw that when I saw someone else playing this game once, that there's a little bonus level that you can do where you kind of watch the mugs move around and you have to keep track of something. I don't think I'll ever be able to get to that point to show you that, but that's at least the basic levels of this game. Let's see, put my name in there. What's cool is that you can track it against differing people to see who has the highest score. I was playing it with my husband the other day, and he obviously was way better at me since he got to the bonus level. But yeah, that's the basics of the game. It's cool that it was in 1984, and the graphics I feel like are pretty clear for 1984. I expected it to be a lot more digitized and whatnot. The music does resemble what I was imagining it to be, because it's very like beeping kind of noises instead of the classic like orchestra kind of music that you hear in normal games now. the lines aren't completely straight, as you can see, like where they come out of the doors. It's very zigzaggy, but that's pretty much the only place where it doesn't seem very clear. Everything else is very clear and colorful and bright. And it does resemble more modern games. There's definitely been some copycats, like what I said with Cake Mania and keeping customers happy. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of Root Beer Tapper. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.